Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Finelo subscription costs. So let's quickly dive into it. Finelo offer a few pricing tiers depending on how long you want to subscribe. The weekly plan costs about $6.93. The 4-week plan is around $19.99 and the 12-week plan runs close to $39.99. After that, subscription usually renew automatically at about $39.99 per month unless you cancel it. While the pricing seems reasonable for beginners, always double check the renewal terms and watch for optional hats-on like personal AI coach, which can increase your cost. Read the fine print before paying to avoid unexpected charges. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick breakdown, and comment what you think about Finelo's pricing. And that's it.